fellow health enthusiasts. Today, we're uncovering some incredible secrets of chia seeds. These small but mighty seeds have gained significant popularity in recent years due to their reputation as a superfood. These tiny seeds, derived from the Salvia hispanica, a plant from the mint family, are packed with a nutritional punch and incredible health benefits. However, like any food, it's essential to understand both their advantages and any associated risks when incorporating them into your diet. Let's first start with the benefits of chia seeds. 1. May assist with weight management. Chia seeds, when incorporated into meals, have the potential to promote a sense of fullness, potentially aiding in weight loss or maintenance. Over time, this feeling of fullness can contribute to better weight management. However, it's worth noting that while some anecdotal evidence and animal studies suggest that chia seeds could be linked to weight loss, robust scientific support in humans is currently limited. An animal study involving rats did find that those fed chia seeds experienced a reduction in visceral fat, the type of fat that surrounds organs. Excessive visceral fat is associated with an increased risk of conditions such as heart disease and diabetes. 2. May contribute to heart health. Chia seeds are a notable source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart-healthy properties. Research indicates that omega-3s can potentially reduce the risk of coronary heart disease and lower triglyceride levels in the blood. Chia seeds contain a specific type of omega-3 known as alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which may further reduce the risk of cardiovascular events. A 2022 meta-analysis published in Advances in Nutrition suggests that regular ALA consumption can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by up to 10% and by up to 20% for fatal coronary artery disease. This reduction is attributed to ALA's anti-inflammatory effects on the body, as well as its role in lowering total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure. 3. Supports bone health. Chia seeds are a rich source of minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, and potassium, all of which play crucial roles in maintaining strong and healthy bones. While direct human studies are somewhat limited, research involving rats has shown promising results. Rats fed a diet with 10% chia seeds as a portion of their total caloric intake experienced significant improvements in bone mineral content compared to a control group. 4. May combat free radicals and inflammation. Free radicals, unstable molecules that result from chemical changes within cells, can lead to cell damage, potentially increasing the risk of various diseases, including cancer. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that can help protect cells from the harm caused by free radicals. These antioxidants include caffeic acid, myricetin, quercetin, and others. Quercetin, in particular, is a potent antioxidant known for its ability to combat inflammation, safeguard cells from damage, and reduce oxidative stress. In fact, foods rich in quercetin, like chia seeds, are being studied for their potential to slow down the aging process at the cellular level. 5. May regulate blood sugar levels. The combination of fiber, fat, and protein in chia seeds can slow down the digestion of carbohydrates. This, in turn, helps regulate blood sugar levels by reducing the glycemic index of carbohydrate-containing foods. These nutrients, fiber, fat, and protein, take longer to digest, effectively delaying the breakdown of carbohydrates into sugars in the gut before absorption into the bloodstream and conversion into blood glucose. 6. May enhance gut health. Chia seeds offer digestive health benefits through their blend of soluble and insoluble fiber, making them an excellent choice for addressing constipation. Moreover, the soluble fiber and polyphenols present in chia seeds can serve as prebiotics, nourishing beneficial gut microbes. These microbes, in turn, produce substances that safeguard the intestinal lining, ultimately promoting improved gut health. While chia seeds offer an array of health advantages, overindulgence in these tiny seeds may result in several complications. 1. Gastrointestinal discomfort. Due to their rich fiber content, excessive consumption of chia seeds can lead to digestive issues such as constipation, diarrhea, bloating, and gas. For individuals with inflammatory bowel conditions like Crohn's disease, chia seeds may trigger flare-ups. 2. Choking risk. When chia seeds come into contact with water, they absorb it and swell, forming a gel-like consistency. If consumed dry, these seeds can swell in the throat, posing a choking hazard. To mitigate this risk, it is advisable to soak the seeds for 5 to 10 minutes before consumption. 3. Medication interactions. Chia seeds are known for their potential to lower blood sugar and high blood pressure. If you are already taking medications to manage diabetes or hypertension, excessive chia seed consumption can lead to significant reductions in blood sugar levels and blood pressure. This could result in further health complications. 4. Allergic reactions. Although rare, allergies to chia seeds can manifest in certain individuals. Symptoms to be vigilant about include vomiting, diarrhea, and itching of the tongue or lips. In severe cases, chia seed allergies may escalate to anaphylaxis, a life-threatening allergic reaction. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and share it with others. And if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel to show your support.